Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be removing the tyre pressure warning light on an E46 BMW. So basically when I turned the car on, the warning light stayed on saying that I've got some sort of flat tyre or an issue with one of my tyres. So I took it into the local tyre centre, they had a look and it was leaking from the valve. So they resealed that, got it home, the light was still showing. So basically what you need to do is find the tyre inflate monitor button on the dash, press and hold this for 6 seconds. Now while you're holding it, you should see that the light goes from red to yellow. At this point you can just remove your finger from the button and after a few further seconds the light will vanish. And there you go, it's as easy as that. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to look out for more videos that are coming soon.